Hi friends, would you like to ace the Red Hat Certified Engineer exam? With my latest book, there is everything and is up to date to the latest Red Hat Enterprise Linux version. We start from the beginning, downloading the operating system and install it with Anaconda, and then move it to how to perform a normal day-to-day operation and administration, like system administration, creating users, handling the backup of a file, of important file, handling the package, installing new software with a package manager, as well also maintaining up-to-date and secure your system. Everything is updated to the latest version available nowadays, and there is also AI, the latest Red Hat Enterprise Linux AI mentioned. So everything is packed here, and also it's gonna save you a lot of time because it integrates the latest automation technology based on the Ansible open source platform, and everything is here. With this book, you can become a better engineer, understand better Linux, and ace the exam. Everything is packed between all these pages, and there is plenty of hands-on experience, plenty of code, as well also some picture that demonstrate the expected result, and following all this step by step, practicing by yourself, you're gonna become a great engineer, and ultimately you're gonna have a better career in tech. I'm super proud about this, my latest book. You can find it in all the best bookshop online and in physical store available today. Let's automate more.